There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this.
Hello friends, how's it going? My name is Tammy and welcome to my home. So today's video is more than just motivation to get your house tidied up. I really want to inspire you to take joy in the mundane things. So it's going to be very relaxing today. I'm spending the afternoon in my kitchen tidying up, and I'm going to have some relaxing music playing in the background. And so I really do hope that this calms and relaxes you and just brings you a lot of joy. So I'm just going to finish my tea here, and then I'm gonna get to it. Cheers! Alright guys, let's get to this mess in my kitchen and pantry. And this amount of mess could give anybody a bit of anxiety. I do find that when my house is messy like this, I do not feel very calm, I don't feel at peace, and it's a weight on my mind, and so I really like to get things in order and tidied up. And so I hope that this really motivates you guys if you have a place in your home that you want to get tidied up, so that our homes can feel like the quiet and peaceful place that we want them to be. Although in all honesty, my house is often not very quiet, but that's okay. It's full of happiness and joy, and even if it's, you know, a little chaotic sometimes, I can handle a little bit of chaos, but if I can manage just a little bit of the mess, it really does help. I really appreciate each and every one of you that takes the time to watch my videos, and I hope that they bring you a lot of calmness and a lot of joy.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in justice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom, the nights will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Can anyone else out there relate with me in the fact that you hate cleaning muffin tins? I mean, I enjoy making muffins, and in this case I was actually making Yorkshire puddings, which are one of my favorite things to eat, but they are such a pain in the butt to clean. I mean, I could throw it in the dishwasher, but I find that it still doesn't get it clean, so I end up having to wash it by hand anyways. But I do love muffins and Yorkshire puddings, so I guess I'm just gonna have to put up with having to clean this thing.
A significant life, just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing.
My stovetop had quite a bit of stuck on and burnt on food on it, so after I sprayed it down with an all-purpose spray, then I used my Wyman's glass cooktop cleaner, and I just let that sit on there for a bit so that it could do its magic.
I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be.
So now I'm back to my stovetop, and letting this cream sit on here definitely did help. And as I wiped it down with a dry paper towel and then buffed it out, I realized there were still a couple places that needed a little bit extra, so I did have to reapply the glass cooktop cleaner in a few areas and really scrub it out. It did take a few times, and you guys are definitely seeing this on fast forward mode, and it did take quite a bit of muscle, but in the end it came out nice and clean and shiny.
Looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do.
These bottom cupboards here, or bottom drawers I should say, are one of the areas that I often don't think to clean on a daily basis, but these can get pretty nasty sometimes. Between me and my kids always touching the handles and the fact that they're below the countertop, so there's always spills of peanut butter and jam and syrup and who knows what else. And also there's sometimes dirty dishes that are going into the dishwasher there, and then sometimes the dirty food from them will spill onto the cupboards. So these can get especially nasty. So I'm really happy that I'm getting to this and that I can create at least one more clean surface in my home.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.
These are all empty containers from my pantry that need to be refilled, and with the cereal I'm actually putting different cereals in these, so I definitely want to give these a scrub down. And the flour is the same container, but it's always good to clean containers in between so that you don't have old food mixing in with the new.
It is hard to share my thoughts Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me, but I know that you need it all. Ooh.
Now that I'm done washing all the dishes, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink. I always like to use this Vim with bleach. I find that it gets my sink so nice and white and removes so many of the stains that can build up on a white sink. So I really like this stuff. And I'm also waiting for my containers to dry so that I can refill them with the new cereals and flour that need to go inside of them.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was a crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa.
Now I'm going to finish up my cleaning for the day by tidying up my pantry. Now my pantry is one of those places that when I have it neat and tidy, it really brings my anxiety down. It gives me a lot of calm and peace, and I think the reason for that is because I already have a really great system in place for my pantry. I have all of these containers, I know where everything goes, everything has a home, and I can just organize it really quickly, and it just brings me a lot of happiness when I have everything in its place. Because in all honesty, the rest of my house is not always perfectly in place. I am trying to get there. Part of my channel is all about organizing my space, but I really feel like I have conquered my pantry to an extent, so this brings me a lot of joy. I hope that this also brought you guys a lot of happiness and calmness, and that you really enjoyed today's video. I just want to let you guys know how much I appreciate you. I love each and every one of you, and thank you so much for watching today. If you'd like to watch more videos, I'll put them at the end of this video, and you can just easily click on them, and I hope that you get some more enjoyment or motivation, whatever you're looking for. I hope that you find it. So have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you in my next one.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.